Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon in Roblox. First, launch Roblox Studio and begin a fresh baseplate project. This provides a clean canvas for your culinary creation. Next, navigate to the toolbox, which is your go-to resource for pre-made assets. You will need to locate a frying pan model and a raw bacon strip model to get started. These items are essential for our easy bacon making process. Now that you have your assets, let's prepare your workspace. Drag the frying pan model from your inventory onto the base plate. Then, carefully place the raw bacon strip model directly inside the pan. You might need to use the move and scale tools to adjust their size and orientation, ensuring the bacon fits perfectly. This setup creates a realistic cooking environment for your virtual bacon. The next step involves bringing your bacon to life with a script. Insert a new script object directly into your bacon model. Within this script, you will program a short delay, perhaps around 5 seconds, to simulate cooking time. After this delay, the script should change the bacon's texture or color to a golden brown, cooked appearance. This transformation makes the bacon look delicious and ready to eat. For the final touches, let's make your bacon even more immersive. You can add a sizzling sound effect to the bacon model, playing when it changes to its cooked state. Also, consider attaching a small particle emitter to simulate a wisp of smoke rising from the pan. Finally, enter play mode in Roblox Studio to test your creation. Watch your bacon cook and enjoy the satisfying result of your easy method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.